We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are showing you how to make our dreamy roasted butternut squash soup. It's very simple to make, delicious, and just happens to be naturally vegan. Let's start with the squash. For the best soup, we like to roast the squash. Cut away the stem and then cut the squash in half crosswise. Now cut each half in half again. By cutting the squash this way, we minimize the chance of the squash rolling about on us, which means it's a bit safer. Remove the seeds and then transfer to a baking sheet. Add a little olive oil, as well as some salt. Then, before sliding into the oven, sneak a piece of fresh rosemary underneath each piece of squash. As the squash roasts, the rosemary perfumes the flesh. It's delicious. Place the baking sheet into the oven and then move on to the other ingredients. Here I'm slicing a leek, which is similar to onion, it just tastes a little milder and sweet. We also need some carrot and a few garlic cloves. There's no need to mince the garlic, we'll be blending the soup in the end. Cook the leeks, carrot, and whole garlic cloves in a little oil in a deep pot until soft and sweet. Now it's time for a little spice, from ground cumin and smoked paprika. This is also a good time to add some heat from red pepper flakes or cayenne if you wanted a spicier soup. For more flavor, add some broth. I'm using vegetable broth, but chicken or turkey broth work too. Add a bay leaf and bring to a simmer, and then taste the soup. If you think it needs it, add some salt and pepper. Simmer for a few more minutes, then set the soup aside until the squash is done. While you wait, you can make some spiced chickpeas to add to the top of the soup when serving. Pat cooked or canned chickpeas, dry, and then add to a skillet with some oil. Cook, stirring every once in a while until the chickpeas are darker in color and look crisp. Add your favorite spice blend, I'm using chili powder, and a pinch of salt. Cook a little longer, and then transfer to a bowl lined with paper towels. When the squash is done, use a spoon to scoop out all the soft flesh. It should come away from the peel pretty easily. Remove the bay leaf from the soup and then add the roasted squash. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. I'm using an immersion blender for ease, but a regular blender works too. Remember, the full recipe with lots of tips is on Inspired Taste. Alright, we are almost done. If the soup seems too thick, add a splash more broth. Then, if you are up for it, add a hint of coconut flavor with some coconut oil. It melts into the blended soup and adds just a tiny bit of sweet coconut aroma and flavor. I just love it. Finally, give the soup a taste and adjust with more salt or pepper. And that's it! Creamy butternut squash soup that's simple to prepare and that tastes unbelievably good, especially when you add those spiced chickpeas on top. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.